This is room 2220 in the Rosen Center Resort. Welcome. All right, it's a little bit dark. I do apologize about that. Well, first off, to the right hand side, as you walk in the door, you're going to have your sink along with a big mirror. You have your two hand towels right there. We do have plenty of closet space right here. Of course, the kids' fish outfits. All right, plenty of room as well. We also have the obligatory iron and ironing board. Good tip for those ironing boards is that if you do need an extra table, they are great for that. Now that is a mat that goes in the shower should you choose to use it. And again, another mirror inside the actual bathroom along with an hair dryer. There's me again. Okay. Of course, a little for your convenience side. Now, you get your, of course, your two towels right here. You also get two more towels up on the towel rack, and you also get your hand towels there. You know, your standard toilet with the water saver, big flush, little flush, and of course the shower. Actually, pretty good size shower. I'm not going to lie. Pretty good size shower. I just took a shower, so so you do get your shampoo, your conditioner, and your shower gel. So this is it right here. I said it is your basic stateroom. All right, like I said, sorry for the darkness. I'll see if I could lighten it up just a little bit during post. Of course, full-size length mirror right here. Your TV. Yes. We pack our snacks. Decided to splurge a little bit and actually get more sweets than usual. Let's see if I can turn some lights on around here and get a little bit more light for us. There you go, that should be better. Now you do have a couple of reading lights right here. Of course, we usually get the two beds. Kids sleep on one bed, we sleep on the other bed. Now, it does have a lot of plug-ins, which everybody loves plug-ins. It does have that nightstand right there, of course, with your clock and your phone. One thing I'm gonna show you right here, and I do apologize for the lack of light. One thing is that we only have one drawer for all of us, so that's one drawback. I'm using the luggage rack as an actual drawer, so I just left my clothes in there. We're only going to be here for a couple nights, and of course, you have a little cooler. It does not come stuck. We stuck this one. All right. So something that we are going to start doing wherever we go is pretty much bringing an extra plug-in for when we need it. Sometimes a lot of these hotels and everything, the plug-ins end up not being good. YouTube thinks you will like this video right here, so do what it says. Click here for more.